In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks manually in HubSpot. We'll walk through creating a task from scratch so you can keep follow-ups organized and visible across your CRM. Start by opening the HubSpot website and logging into your account. From the main navigation, go to CRM and choose Tasks. Depending on your layout, you may see it under Sales and then Tasks. Either path takes you to the same task workspace. In the task area, look to the top right and click Create Task. This opens a slide-out panel or form where you'll enter everything for the new task. Begin with the basics. Give your task a clear, action-oriented title, like Follow Up with Client. Use the notes or description box to add context, talking points, or links you'll need when you complete the task. The more specific you are here, the easier it is to execute quickly later. Next, set a due date and add a specific time if that matters for your schedule. Putting a date on the task keeps it from slipping through the cracks and ensures it appears where you expect it in your views. If the exact time isn't critical, the date alone still helps you prioritize your day. Choose a task type so HubSpot can categorize it correctly. Select Call when the next action is a phone call, Email when you need to send a message, or To Do for general follow-up that isn't tied to a call or email. Picking the right type makes reporting and filtering more accurate. Associate the task to the right record. You can link it to a contact, a company, a deal, or a ticket. This keeps the task visible on that record's timeline and gives helpful context to anyone looking at the account, so all activity lives in one place. Assign an owner so it's clear who is responsible. You can select yourself or a teammate from the owner dropdown. Assigning ownership helps drive accountability and makes tasks show up in the right person's queue. Set the priority to low, medium, or high so you can sort and focus later. Then choose a status, not started, in progress, or completed. Most tasks begin as not started and you'll update the status as you work. When everything looks good, click Create to save. Your new task is added immediately and will appear in your tasks views as well as on any records you associated with it. To manage tasks, use the task list for a straightforward checklist experience or switch to the calendar view to see what's coming up by day. As you finish work, mark each task complete to keep your workspace current. That's it. You've manually created a task in HubSpot, linked it to the right records, and set it up for easy tracking. Repeat this process whenever you need a clear, scheduled next step in your pipeline.